So, pop slot. Just gonna, if you're stuck, I can just pull it off. So, this has to come off. Now, these bolts are so soft that when I hit them, they get flat. Really flattened the shit out of that nail head, though. Look at that. And compared to this, we're gonna get this little tip off. So we'll just grab that, kind of get it off of there. So we go nail head, nail pinner, and then we film it. How about that? I'm gonna give it a little tap, tap, tap. That should just fall right through. Third one's the charm. Now take a look at this. This is my first one. I almost, turned it into a pin on both ends. So this is what we need to replace. But the idea is that I could just flip it over and reuse it. I'll take a look here. 9.5 inch diameter.